Souso noticed something exciting. The family is packing bags. Are they going on an adventure? No, maybe the beach. In the car, Souso curls up, purring happily. She dreams of splashing in a swimming pool, chasing waves like a brave sea lion. Finally, they're here. The girl runs straight to the beach, her laughter filling the air. Souso steps onto the sand. Meow! It feels strange under her paws. The wind is strong, but Souso holds her tail. Suddenly, the girl scoops her up in her swimsuit and splash! They jump into the sea together. Oh no, the salty water's in. Souso coughs. No! And scrambles back to the shore, dripping wet and covered in sticky sand. Shaking, Souso hides under the shade by the pool. The girl kneels beside her worried, but Souso just blinks slowly. No more sea for today. The pool feels much safer.